We've talked a lot about types in this course. We've talked about the data types that you can apply to your variables, and then we've talked about how we can cast those types or convert those types. And in this video I want to talk about how do I discover a type. Let's go from the other direction. I've got a variable here, or I've got an object, and I need to know what type it is. Well, as it turns out, the question of what's your type, isn't that clever, is answered in C++ by the type ID operator. Now you're going to use the type ID operator to look at a variable or whatever you want to look at and obtain the type to see exactly what type is being delivered. Now here's the syntax you're going to use for that. Notice you're going to use the operator type ID, and then you will put the expression or the variable inside parentheses, and then this will return to you the type info. Now the type ID is going to return that information to you in the form of a type info object, and then you're going to read one of the properties, the name property for example, to see exactly what type you're dealing with there. Now there's an example in the work files folder called type info, and if you open that project up you will see it. Now I'm going to do the type info project in a total separate video, and that is going to be a video entitled Discovering Types Example, and we'll just do a very quick basic little example to show you how to use type ID operator to find out the type of something that you may not already know. Alright, so look for that example out there, look for the video type info, you'll see how to build it, how to code it up. But it is possible to figure out what type a particular object is, and join me in discovering types example movie, and we'll take a look at that.